Moses Moody, vintage performance. 7 3 points made in first quarter. Monster performance. Yo, what's up mga idolo? Welcome back sa ating channel. At ngayong araw, isang explosive matchup ang mapapanood natin. Golden State Warriors versus New Orleans Pelicans. Moses Moody versus Trey Murphy. Veteran shooters versus young athletic monsters. Who will take the win tonight? Let's get right into the action. Pag-start pa lang ng first quarter, clear agad ang game plan ng Warriors. Ball movement at mabilis na pacing. Jimmy hits his first points from the alley-oop. Swish! Crowd immediately wakes up. Moody, first points galing sa pasa ni Curry. Pelicans, slow at the beginning pero Alvarado, 3-point shot in front of Draymond Green. Missy gets into his rhythm with a silky dunk. Alvarado hits a running floater over Butler. Moses Moody may 7 3-points na in the first quarter. End of first quarter, Warriors 44, Pelicans 28. Big starts from the Warriors. Second quarter, Pelicans steps up. Trey Murphy orchestrating the offense. Vintage mid-range jumper and alley-oop dunk. Pierce nakikisali na din, gandang 3 kontra kay Green. New Orleans crowd going crazy. Warriors answer with their own second unit. Buddy Hield, back-to-back 3 points. Yung isa galing kay Al Horford at yung isa galing kay Steph Curry. But Murphy checks back in the 5-minute mark. Instantly hits a open dunk. Then another give-and-go basket para kay Pierce. Then sa Warriors naman, steal by Jimmy for open transition dunk to close the first half. Halftime, Warriors 61, Pelicans 49. Third quarter na mga idolo, dito nagsimula ang fireworks. Pelicans crank up the tempo. Quinn attack the paint relentlessly. Spin move, rebound, drive. Warriors forced to adjust. Draymond takes on a 3, walang bantay. Pero Jeremiah Pierce joins the run with a smooth Euro step. Pero di papayag si Curry. Dribble, hesitation, split a double team, sabay pasa kay Green. Next possession, Green. Then pass to running na si Butler in transition. Pelicans nagkaroon ng small run para maibaba sa 11 points ang lamang ng Warriors. Pero bumawi naman ng 3 points si Al Horford para tapusin ang third quarter. End of third, Warriors 85, Pelicans 71. 14 points game. Here we go. Crunch time. Pelicans score first. Hawkins hits a difficult pull-up jumper. Alvarado, gandang sidestep layup from the elbow. And 1. Warriors steady the ship. Butler to Green. Huge 3-point shot. Pangatlo na ni Green sa laro na to. Moody, monster game. Dunk galing sa pasa ni Butler. At Alvarado naman comes off a screen. Quick releases layup. Final 3 minutes. Both teams trading blows. Jeremiah Pierce, layup in traffic. Good. G. Santos corner 3. Splash! Warriors up 120-101. Last 40 seconds. Warriors possession. Santos 3. Miss but Jackson Davis put back. Pelicans try to respond. Quinn, reverse layup. Basket! Kaso sobrang laki na ng lamang. Final score, Warriors 124, Pelicans 106. Warriors survived the late push. And that is a wrap-ups. Another intense showdown, mga idolo. Moses Moody dropping a vintage performance. 8 threes, perfect decision making. Jimmy Butler solid all game. Draymond with a defensive stop. Meanwhile in Pelicans, huge effort from Murphy, Pierce, and Jose Alvarado. Pero kinulang sa dulo against the poise of the Warriors. Kung nag-enjoy ka sa recap na to, mag-like, share, at subscribe para sa daily NBA Taglish videos. Comment mo na rin kung Team Warriors ka ba o Team Pelicans. See you on the next NBA breakdown. Once again, this is your Spotlight in Sports. Maraming salamat mga ka-sports.